Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. Today I'm making spinach artichoke chicken casserole. Um, kind of reminds me of the chicken bacon casserole, bacon artichoke bacon chicken casserole there, soup that I made a while back. Actually, a lot of recipes I came across lately are really similar to recipes I've already made. But I guess if you're making a recipe that falls into a certain meal plan, especially one that restricts like keto, not that keto is very restrictive, it's just there's a lot of things that rhyme, I guess, with keto. It kind of sounds like a storm's moving in. I hope I kind of hope power doesn't go out. That would really kind of suck considering I use electric everything. Anyway, maybe that's why conservatives are so angry about all the electric stuff. Anyway, that's politics. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's all what's in it. Again, it's not a whole lot, and it's another one of my favorite recipes where you just mix everything together and bake it up. So it's 4 cups of cooked shredded chicken. Thankfully, in each one of those cans is a cup of chicken. Kind of makes it convenient for these kind of recipes. 9-ounce package of frozen spinach that's been thawed, and I'll drain in that. 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts. 8-ounce package of cream cheese. 1 cup of Parmesan. 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella. 2/3 cups of sour cream. 1/2 cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. 3 cloves of garlic, and salt, pepper to taste. And let's go ahead and get started. It really is coming down out there. Had to run to the store for 1 or 2 more ingredients for a different recipe, but glad I got home in time. Anyway, that's a distraction. Preheated the oven to 375 and sprayed the cooking dish with cooking spray. So here's everything all cut up and measured out. Got 4 cups of the shredded chicken, and then I'll get the 9 ounces of spinach mixed in, and now I'll get the artichoke hearts in, and now the garlic. I'll get that mixed up. Yeah, this bowl seems to be a bit better for the mixing. So now I'll add in the cream. Mixed. And now the sour cream. Now I'll stir in the mayonnaise. All right, and the last part of the mixing will be the cream cheese, and it's probably sitting out long enough to can be considered softened. So I'll get that mixed in. And then it said salt and pepper to taste. That's probably a lot of salt. That's definitely the wrong one. That's probably too much pepper. Anyway, so I'll get that transferred over here to the baking dish. All right, this is making quite a bit more than I was expecting it to. This is pretty hearty stuff. So now I'll go ahead and top it off with the 1.5 cups of mozzarella. Now I'll put it in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Okay, now it's for a really strange thing. Is it says to after the 20 minutes, turn it up to 400, and once it gets to 400, put it on for another 5 minutes on 400. I don't know if they just need to get a little bit more hot on it. I don't know. I'm just following the instructions on the recipe there. There's the finished product. I'm going to let it cool off a little bit before dishing it up. The last recipe that I made? It said it made 4 servings, but it made 2 good servings. But this one looks like it's going to make 4, or it says 6 to 8 servings, and it looks like it's pretty close to 8. I'm going to let it cool off before I serve it up. And all right, there's it all dished out. I gotta say, this stuff smells awesome. I'm gonna be making this more often. Yeah, that's spinach artichoke chicken casserole. Yeah, just mix everything in a bowl and bake it out. That's exactly what I'm looking for in a recipe, and what it smells like right now is definitely what I'm smelling for in a recipe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Check out blog and Patreon link below, and have a nice day.